Hello, I will be sharing 4 tips on cracking aptitude questions on progressions. Tip number 1. Sum of n terms of an AP is equal to nx, arithmetic mean of first and last terms. If A be the first term of an AP and L be the next term, i.e. the nth term, then the sum of the AP will be n A plus L divided by 2. If the last term is not specified, replace L by A plus n minus 1 into D, where D is the common difference. Then the sum of the AP will be n 2A plus n minus 1 into D upon 2. Let's look at a question. The interior angles of a polygon are in AP. The smallest angle is 120 degrees and the common difference is 5. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Here's the solution. Let there be n sides. Then the largest side is 120 plus n minus 1 into 5 degrees, which is equal to 115 degrees plus 5n. Sum of the interior angles is equal to n into 120 plus 115 plus 5n divided by 2, which is equal to n into 235 plus 5n divided by 2. In any polygon, the sum of the interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 degrees, which gives us n into 235 plus 5n divided by 2, which is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. N square minus 25n plus 144 is equal to 0. N minus 9 into n minus 16 is equal to 0. Thus, n is either 9 or 16. If n is equal to 16, the largest angle is equal to 115 plus 5 into 16, which is equal to 195 degrees. But the interior angle of a polygon cannot be greater than 180 degrees. Hence, n is equal to 9. Tip number 2. If the terms of an AP are operated upon by some constant, the resultant AP bears a certain relation to the previous one. If each term of an AP is multiplied by C, common difference becomes DC and the sum SC. If a constant C is added to each term of an AP, the new sum is S plus NC and D remains the same. Let's look at a few questions. Question number 1. 6 kids are born into a family and their age difference is 3 years. If the current age of the youngest child is 4 years, what will be the sum of their ages 5 years from now? Here's the solution. According to the question, age of the eldest child is equal to 4 plus 5 into 3, which is equal to 19 years. Sum of their ages now is equal to 6 into 19 plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 69 years. Sum of their ages 5 years from now is equal to 69 plus 6 into 5, which is equal to 99 years. Question number 2. The sum of 10 numbers in an AP is 810. What is their sum when all the numbers are divided by 3? Here's the solution. New sum is equal to 810 divided by 3, which is equal to 270. Tip number 3. Wherever possible, use the formulae for sum. Sum of first n natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on till n is S is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on so forth till n square is S is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Sum of cubes of the first n natural numbers 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on so forth till n cube is S is equal to n square into n plus 1 square divided by 4. If the nth term of a sequence is Tn, which is equal to an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d, then the sum of the series is S is equal to a sigma n cube plus b sigma n square plus c sigma n plus nd. Let's look at a question. Find the sum of n plus 2n minus 1 plus 3n minus 2 plus so on and so forth till n minus 1 into 2 plus n. Here's the solution. The rth term of the series can be written as tr, which is equal to r into n minus r plus 1, which is equal to n plus 1 into r minus r square. Thus, the sum of the series will be S is equal to n plus 1 into sigma r minus sigma r square, which is equal to n plus 1 into sigma n minus sigma n square, which is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 1 divided by 2 minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, which is equal to n into n plus 1 into 3n plus 3 minus 2n minus 1 divided by 6, which is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 6. Tip number 4. When the quantities are in progression, choose the variable as the middle element to make your calculations easier. Let's look at a few questions. Question number 1. The sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? Here's the solution. Let the age of the third child be A. Then the successive ages of the children are A minus 6, A minus 3, A plus 3, A plus 6. According to the question, 5A is equal to 50. Since the positive and negative terms are exactly equal and thus cancel out, we get A is equal to 10. Thus the age of the youngest child is equal to A minus 6, which is equal to 4 years. Question number 2. A, B and C are neighbors. If A's age is thrice that of B and B's age is thrice that of C and the product of their ages is 216, what is C's age? Here's the solution. Let B's age be B. Then 3B into B divided by 3 is equal to 216. B cube is equal to 216. Since the multipliers and divisors cancel each other out, we get B, which is equal to 216 to the power of 1 upon 3, which is equal to 6. Thus, C's age is equal to B divided by 3, which is equal to 2 years.
The Learning Pundits content team has put in a lot of effort to make this video, and we hope you found it useful. Small gestures of encouragement from you keeps our motivation levels high so that we can continue producing free, high-quality educational videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page. We really appreciate your support.